In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the wing mirror from a Renault Clio Mark III. Tools you'll need for the job: a T20 Torx, trim removal tool and a flat screwdriver. First of all, remove this trim. There's no fittings on this, it's just pushed in, so you can use your trim tool and just pry it apart. There's 3 pegs that keep it in place. Now you've got access to the back of the mirror. There's 3 bolts holding it in place. There's one there, and there's 2 behind this part there. There's one there, and one at the bottom just tucked down there. Undo those 3. When you're undoing the last one, you have to just reach around the other side, just support the mirror in case it falls. So from this side, give the mirror a wiggle, pull it away from the front edge first, and at the back here there's a little hook, so just come back with the mirror once the front's out, and that'll hook out there. You can see the little hook that I'm on about. And there's the wiring plug. Just push the little tab in the middle, use a screwdriver for that, and that'll come out. That's the mirror removed.